Hello students, this is CA Pragnesh Senior Audit Faculty at CA Final and CA Interlevel. If you're watching this video, then maybe you know about me, but I have coached thousands of students and I have also coached all India rank 1 in audit subject multiple times at CA Final level. Yes, feedback is there on my YouTube channel, you can check it from there. So I'm coming up with my Super 100 CA Final Audit regular course batch in 100% English. Yes, because that is the requirement of majority of the students studying in South India and some students studying in other parts of the country. Now this is a very uniquely crafted batch. If you're worried about syllabus change, if you're worried about amendments, if you're worried about anything on Mother Earth with respect to CA Final Audit, this batch has the solution for that. So let me explain it to you that how we are going to conduct this batch. So students, there will be live Zoom sessions every day, okay, from 3rd Jan to 28th Feb 2023 with 4 break days. I have highlighted over here. Lecture days breakup. Start date 3rd Jan, end date 28th Feb. Duration is around 140 to 147 hours. But yes, I can understand that many of the students even though they want to attend live, but they may not be able to attend live due to their articleship commitments, office commitments, some training courses going on here and there. So how do we operate? I take live Zoom sessions daily, and then after 4 or 5 hours of that Zoom session, I upload the full recorded backup of that particular session, and that recorded backup is instantly accessible after 4 or 5 hours on my mobile app as well as on the laptop. On the laptop, you have to stream the video through a browser, either Google Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox, everything is fine. And don't worry, even basic internet speed is okay. But that internet access, it gives me flexibility to, give you the videos instantly. So you can watch videos on mobile app as well as laptop. Do not worry about it. All right, we have full flexibility. In the last 14 months or so, more than 3,000 students have enrolled with us and they are very much satisfied with what we are providing them. Again, the feedback is there on the YouTube channel. You can verify it from there. Now let us talk about the study material part. So students, you will be given hard copy books, colored content book as well as question bank book, MCQs included. Alright, and these books will be couriered to you at your home or whatever address you provide so that you don't have to worry about it. It will be given to you well in advance of the batch commencement. Now, when it comes to the recorded backup, don't worry, you are going to get 2 views per video and validity till November 24. Why I am highlighting this all of a sudden? Because I know that students who have their attempts in November 23, May 24, November 24 are worried about the amendments. Full amendment support will be given. I am already aware about the changes that are there in the new syllabus. In fact, for my existing students who had taken batches earlier also, I am going to provide them complete amendment support. So do not worry about the changes of the syllabus, but you need to start from somewhere. All right. And you have the validity in this batch. You have live Zoom sessions. You have recorded backup. You have everything that you need to clear your audit subject. So you need to begin. All right. So do not worry. My teaching alignment will be as per the new syllabus. Even if institute is giving you an option to continue in the old syllabus, and if you want to continue in the old syllabus, then also I am completely prepared. All right, I have thought about all the possibilities and I have crafted a plan, and I've also shared that plan with the existing students. If you have any confusion, let me know. Even I will share that video with you. I have not published it on YouTube channel because the new syllabus is yet to be made official like on public platform, but I will share the video with you on one-on-one basis, on request basis. Don't worry about it. All right. Now, when it comes to the preparation part, it is not only important to study the content, but it is also important to write some papers. All right. So we have test series, a very wonderfully crafted test series for audit subject, where after 5-6 lectures, I give you unit test, and then at the end, as per your attempt, I give you the prelim papers. Papers are checked personally by me. Yes, I do take some time for checking the papers, to be very honest, but yes, I do it personally no matter the number of students, because I am completely dedicated to this one particular subject. All right. And in this batch, it is a super 100 batch. I have to provide lots of personal attention to the students, and that is the reason that I will not be taking more than 100 enrollments. I repeat, I will not be taking more than 100 enrollments. All right, because this is a premium batch and I have to provide lots of focus on each student, and that I have to maintain that teacher student ratio. Okay. Don't worry about amendment support. Even after batch gets over, I am there on WhatsApp doubt solving. So I solve one-on-one WhatsApp doubt solve about one-on-one doubts through WhatsApp. And we also have live Zoom doubt solving sessions. So do not worry about it at all. You can ask my existing students till the day of exams. Even after their exams are over, I try my level best to give them the best possible support. All right. And one thing that you need to notice, in every calendar year, I conduct only one English batch. So in 2022, I did it in around February, March 22. And in 2023, I'm doing it in Jan, Feb 23. Similarly, in 2024, in Jan to March quarter, I'll be doing a batch. So if you really want to enroll for English, you want to attend live, then it is better that you enroll for this batch. But even if you want to go for recorded lectures, you should still enroll. And how you should operate is, every day when I take live session, I upload the recorded backup on T+1 basis. So today I took the session, you should start watching from tomorrow. But what happens is that you stay in touch with me, because we have lots of interactions with the students who enroll for these particular batches. All right. So I am really hoping to see you on the other side, and let us have a gala time and let us finish off the most feared subject of CA final, and that is audit. But you are going to have a very good time, do not worry. If you pre-book now, it is at 9,500. It is limited for first 25 students, but let me tell you, I think around 25 are already done, by the time I'm shooting this video, because the batch was already announced in my particular mobile app. Okay. So what I've done is I've extended it for a few more students. Around till 40th student we will be taking at 9,500. After that the fees becomes 10,750. All right, that is the demand supply concept, my friend. So you can download the app through the auditacademy.com. Enrollments and the whole student management is done through the app itself. It gives us the opportunity to serve students with more efficiency. So you can directly enroll from the app. You can download the app and you can search for batch 19 in the courses section, B19, and you can enroll for that particular batch. The whole schedule and everything in detail is given over there also, including the demo videos. All right, if you want to see my demo videos. Okay, yes, great, great, great. So students, this whole PDF and everything is available inside the app, and you can enroll for this. I am really hoping to see you on the other side. Take care, all the best.